Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 8i and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Here we have to enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries. We've got a tutorial of how to enable them using the build number, so just check it and go back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the automatic system updates. If you'd like to turn them on, just tap on the switcher, and right now they are active, so it means that your device will apply updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn that off the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.